Hey everyone, welcome back to our digital planner series. Today, we're going to talk about something super important, sizes and layouts. You see, when it comes to digital planners, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, choosing the right size and layout for your digital planner can make a huge difference in how user-friendly and visually appealing it is. Plus, it can cater to different preferences and needs of your audience. So let's explore the different options and find what works best for you. First off, we have the standard or full-size digital planner. It's like your traditional paper planner, offering ample space for detailed planning and organizing. Dimensions typically range around 8.5 into 11 inches, which is US letter size, or a 4-size 210 into 297 millimeters. Perfect for those who love everything laid out neatly on their desk. Next, we have the half-size digital planner. It's compact and portable, like the standard planner's cute little sibling. Dimensions here usually hover around 5.5 into 8.5 inches, or a 5-size 148 into 210. Ideal for on-the-go planning without sacrificing space. And lastly, we have the mini or compact size digital planner. Tiny but mighty. These are super portable, often fitting in the palm of your hand. Perfect for quick notes on the fly. Now, how do you choose the right size for you? Let's find out. First, let's consider your device screen size. Your digital planner should be compatible with your device to ensure an optimal viewing and writing experience. If you're using a smartphone, you'll want to choose a size that fits comfortably within the screen without feeling cramped or cluttered. On the other hand, if you're using a tablet or laptop, you have more flexibility to work with larger planner sizes. Next, let's talk about personal preferences. We all have unique preferences when it comes to planner size, layout, and design, and it's essential to choose a size that aligns with your individual needs and preferences. Lastly, let's evaluate functionality. Your digital planner should support your specific functional requirements and make it easier for you to manage your tasks, notes, and appointments. Consider the types of tasks and activities you'll be managing in your planner. Do you need space for extensive note-taking and journaling? Are you managing complex projects that require detailed planning and organization? By evaluating your device screen size, personal preferences, and functional requirements, you can determine the optimal size for your digital planner and ensure that it meets your needs effectively. Now, let's delve into the topic of layout. What are the various layouts you can utilize? Let's explore them together. Cover page. This is the first page your users see when they open your planner. It sets the tone for the entire planner and often includes the title, year, and maybe some decorative elements. Monthly overview. Next, we have the monthly overview. This usually includes a calendar layout where users can see the entire month at a glance. You can also include sections for goals, important dates, or anything else you think your users might find helpful. Weekly spread. Now, let's zoom in a bit and look at the weekly spread. This is where users will spend a lot of their time planning their days. You can include sections for each day of the week, to-do lists, meal plans, habit trackers, and more. Daily pages. Some planners also include daily pages for users who like to plan their days in even more detail. These pages often have space for hourly scheduling, priority tasks, and notes. Extras. Finally, don't forget to include any extras that might be helpful to your users. This could include things like goal-setting pages, habit trackers, budgeting templates, and more. Now that we've covered the basic structure, let's talk about how to make your layout visually appealing. Here are a few tips. Use color. Experiment with different color schemes to make your planner pop. You can use bold, vibrant colors to draw attention to important sections, or stick to a more muted palette for a minimalist look. Add graphics. Don't be afraid to get creative with graphics and illustrations. Adding decorative elements like flowers, borders, or icons can make your planner feel more personalized and fun. Keep it organized. Remember to keep your layout organized and easy to navigate. Use clear headings and section dividers to break up the content and make it easier for users to find what they're looking for. Leave space for customization. Finally, leave plenty of space for users to customize their planner to fit their own needs and preferences. This could include blank sections for notes, customizable headers, or editable templates. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. It all comes down to what works best for you and your unique needs. So, take your time to explore different sizes and layouts until you find the perfect fit.